What's going on, everybody? My name is Sanford Hill, coming to you from Global United Traders. This is just I want to show you guys just a method that I came across recently. Actually, I've been trading in forex for a while, but I came in forex for a while, trading forex. As a technical trader, I'm pretty good at reading the charts, doing chart analysis, things like that. And like I said, I've been pretty good. But I came across this method not too long ago, and from what I seen, kind of like literally like blew my mind away, and almost like got me feeling really good inside because it's like this is a system that's worked, and I see how it can work and how we can really make some decent money off of this system. And even people that's new to Forex who never traded before a day in their life can literally come in and do this and make money like right away. They don't even need that much training to even get started. Literally, don't think you need to know how to do is just click a button, really. And you can do this from your cell phone, the computer, basically anywhere. That's what I love about it. Like Forex is a market where I think you can make money quickly, like literally, like out of any other business in the world, you can make money the fastest in Forex. So I'm gonna go ahead and introduce this method to y'all. Um, Only thing I want to show everybody with this method is I just want some traders who, if you like it, what I want to do is just get a bunch of y'all together and all let's just start using this method in trading on a demo account. Of course, I don't want you to trade on a live account yet unless you're that confident, but let's go ahead and try this on a demo account for like a month or two, and let's compare our results, see our results, see what we learn from this method, and see how we can tweak it and get better at it. I think if we do master this method, like we literally can be a beast and turn this into like a big empire. So you got to build an empire from the ground up. So I think this is the platform right here. So let me go ahead and introduce this to y'all. What I'm going to do first is show you who came up with this method. Well, actually, the man said this method came from God. So, but I'm gonna show you the one who got this revelation of this method, and let me see what y'all think about it. The video is like 9 minutes long, so I'm just gonna play it for y'all, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna come back. It's the video right here. His name was Jeffrey Hilaire. Hope I said the last name right. This is the method that, right here, what he's about to show. He It's a little history from what I've seen. He only has like well, how I found this video. Not gonna lie, I literally was I think it was a Sunday, and I was listening to church and everything. Creflo Dollar, getting the word in. Like I said, I've been a technical trader for a while, and I'm pretty good at it now. Like I said, it's just something inside still like saying like I want to find something that's better and more solid. So I'm still researching, trying to find techniques. So I was like, forget it. On YouTube, I probably searched and watched over 100 videos on Forex and different ways, different strategies, joining different companies, programs. Everybody has their own idea. But me personally, I already know the Forex is like something where you can't really predict what's going to happen. Like, you feel me? So I just typed in, but I know you can make money in it because I've seen a lot of people do it. I know the money's there. This is a $1 trillion a day industry. I know how quickly you can make money in here. I know how one trade can change your life. So I stuck with it. So I typed in YouTube. I typed in Jesus Christ and then Forex. Feel me? Anything successful with Jesus Christ. So I'm like, let me just type this in and see what I see. Okay, what way? I didn't really see no video except for one. This one video stuck out. Now this is not the video right here. He has other videos, but this is just a shorter version. Other videos like 30 minutes long, but I don't want to make this hangout too long. So this video right here is just kind of him, the strategy he came up with or he received. This is just another day. Like, this is just showing him a test run of how the strategy runs. So let me show you. Let me go show this strategy to y'all. Yeah, one more thing. Like, yeah, in this video, this was done 3 years ago, and at the video he just introduces it. He never really showed how it is now and what he does now because he haven't posted up another video for over 3 years. So the last video I think I seen he made was where he was saying that he runs multiple businesses, like he does real estate and all these type of things. And so, but I think this, and it doesn't have a lot of views either. Like, see, this only has 104 views for 3 years. So a lot of people really looked over this. So, but I think we really can make money off of this method. So let's go ahead and watch it now.
I hope everybody's having a good day today. I had a few people contacting me, wanting updates on how is my strategy working. And I'm going to show you right now. This is a strategy, as you can see. This is one of the accounts. I have been trading on a smaller account, the one with $2,000, so I can't really say anything on that one. But these are the other two accounts. The one that we start off both accounts with 100,000. This, as you can see, December the 8th, we're up to 160,000. And like I said before, we're not taking out any trades unless they're of profit. As you can see, all these trades are all profit, you know, and we've just been picking off of one side and leaving the other as it is. And we started this count at 100,000 on, what day was that? Okay, December the 1st. So today is December the 8th. So in about a week, we were able to make $60,000 profit using this strategy. In a week, we were able to turn 100,000. And you guys can see I'm not, you know, making this up. You're watching the numbers with me. First profit to 2,100. I don't know what this is. Then $83 and $106, $1,100, $289, 16,000, 6,000, 800, 1,200, 1,400, 500, 1,500, 6,700, 2,800, 8,500, 5,800, $5,086 was the last profit that we were able to do today, and that's just off of the same strategy that I told you guys, which is buying and selling. And I thought of it like this: if I had a clothing store and I wasn't sure what was in style, so one thing that I might do is, let's say it was two different brands and I didn't know which one was gonna sell. I would buy one brand, and the brand that's selling, as I get sold out, I will keep buying more. But the brand that's not selling, I will wait for it to get into fashion again. Or worst case scenario, if I lose my money because I invested in that brand, I would have made all the money that I need to make on the other brand. So that's how I thought about trading these currency pairs. As you can see, the Australian dollar is still down. It hasn't turned back around. We've been making all the money on the sterling, and we've been using the Australian dollar as a hedge of protection. If I was to just close this Australian dollar right now, I would be negative $19,000. But when you already made $60,000 in a week, I mean, to make $40,000 profit, if I chose to do so, I think is a very good deal. Now, let me take you to the other account. As you can see, it's at 120,000 right now. We started off that one as well at 100,000. The reason for the big difference, because we weren't using as many units. We weren't buying as many units. As you can see, it's profit, $200. Okay, so I'm going to take you here and just show you the same thing. You shouldn't be pulling out unless you have a profit. There's no reason for you to be closing trades. And I believe we started this one. We start this one. This was the first video that we started, which was December the 2nd. I believe it was December the 2nd. We started off at $100,000. And that's when we made the mistake on the video. But as you can see, ever since December the 2nd, 7,900, 163, 1,100, $58, 679, 292, 2,700, 2,100, 2,500, 2,300, $640. All profits. You shouldn't be pulling out of the market with this strategy unless you're in profit. Now, this is something, for example, I'm going to take this little $200 right here, and I'm going to get back in the market. You should not be pulling out with this strategy unless you are in profit. There's no reason for you to be pulling out of the market. Another thing that I do as well, right here, you see it was kind of at, the highest it was going to go before it turned around. So I might wait for it to die down just a little bit before I get back in the market. If it looks like it's going down, which it looks like right now, I'll just continue to let it just go down a little bit more before I get in and place my trade. And I just place my trade. Okay. So if this was a clothing store and I had if I had Louis Vuitton and Gucci and I didn't know which one was going to sell, I would buy both of them. And the side that's selling, I will keep on buying and selling it until that season goes out, which is the sterling. The sterling is the season that's in right now. Everybody's buying and selling sterling in my business. So I'm going to keep buying and selling sterling in this season. And when the season goes out for the sterling, then the Australian dollar would be in. So I use them as a hedge against each other to protect my investment, as well as to have two different products that I know both are going to profit me one day. I just do not know when. These pairs do opposite of one another, as you can see. If you pay attention to the pattern, they're opposite of one another. So we know as long as we're in one side of the trade, we're always going to win. And if you use the hours to where the market is very volatile, the New York session and London session, and you begin to make your profits as the market goes up and goes down, you will become very successful. So that's what I want to share with you all. Have a blessed day. May God continue to bless you. May you be a blessing to others.
All right, so that was the video. So what I'm going to do now is going to go ahead and show you guys how this method looks on a live market action. So give me 1 second here.
Good morning.
You can see this video. It makes $2,500 in 10 minutes. I believe him. All right, so let's see. All right, so let's go to the live markets now so I can go ahead and introduce this. All right. Now, before I go ahead and introduce this, let's see here. Let me take all this stuff off. The reason why I like this method, man, because, well, first let me go ahead and point this out for any new traders out there or even advanced. like you said, the market, it always moves in trends. Now, this is a monthly chart on an Audi USD. If you just look right here, this is October 1st, 1995. All right. The price action was around here, around 0.7407. It was around this area, around the 7.700s. It was in that area. Well, you can see right here from this line right here. This is back in 1995. Now let's go over. This is 2005. This is 10 years later. So look, the price is around the same area 10 years later. Then it goes up, go down, go up. So look, came up. About 2 or 3 years later, price came back around here again. Another year, boom, came back. And 10 years later, from 2005 to 2015, look, the price is right back over here at the same area. So it's like, well, even over the course of the years, the price always ends up coming back to the same point. So that means all this time right here, people was making money and getting rich. You feel me? All came back to right here. So it's like, what's really making the prices move up and down? Like, it's really somebody controlling the markets. They say it's come from worldly things that happens, depending how much investors put in. Yeah, that can influence it, but I think it's really somebody that's behind it, who already know where the price is going to be at from years to come, and I think they go along with the trends. This is just moving the trend up. Whatever goes down, gonna come up. Whatever comes up, gonna go down. That's life. So everything moves in trends. Everything seems to come back to the same point. So that's one thing I took notice of after I seen the strategy, and I want to show y'all something now. All right, so look, this is the monthly chart. Let me put this on the monthly chart too. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed. Now look at the Great Pound Audi and then the Audi USD. If you notice, these are the same price actions, but flipped upside down. And this is what I mean. Look at this. I don't know if you can catch that. It's the same thing upside down. Let's go to a day chart. See how Great Pound Audi trend going down, up. Here goes Audi. Just going up, down. There you go. See, look at that. It looks almost. It's just upside down. You put it neck to neck. Just see. Let's go to the hour. Hour. Boom. Look at that. See this long burst? Look at that long burst. It's like the same thing upside down. Give me 1 second, y'all. All right, sorry about that, y'all. All right, so you can see it's like the same movement, but just going the opposite way. So when I seen that, I was like, that's odd, that's weird. So he said let's only focus on these two pairs. So that's cool. So how you take advantage of this type of information? Let me show you how. So now we know the market moving trend. You know these two pairs is basically the same price action, but flipped upside down. Now for the beginning traders, if you're new to trading Forex, you never really know about trading. Let's say a currency exchange is where you just buying one currency pair and selling another. So that's basically the only thing you're doing is just buying a currency. If the value goes higher down, then you sell it. So you always want to. That's all you're doing is buying and selling a nation's currency pair. So for beginners trading with this method, that's why the reason I like this method as well, because if you never learn about Forex and you want to get into it, it can be a lot. It can be a lot. Like when I first got in, I didn't know where to get started at. But I just dove right into it and I just began working and researching digitally. Just kept on researching, finding ways. And over time, I actually got pretty good at trading. Um, but it's a lot of information, a lot of things you would have to know. As you can see, there's so many currency pairs. You feel me? So there's so much ways to trade. It's crazy. You got all these time frames. You got all these. Look at these indicators. Look at this stuff. Like all types of things. Like who nobody would know what this is really if you're new. Or look at the Ishimoku cloud. Let me show you that. That looks crazy. Look at this system. Like to any new trader, somebody look at this like, what the heck is this? I can read it. I know exactly what this means. I know exactly what this means. But like I'm saying, for somebody that's new, I wouldn't expect them to learn this. So it's a lot of information to learn. So this method, you don't need to know none of this. A lot of people, they charge you to learn how to trade like that. They want to teach you. They want to charge you to teach you how to trade with their indicators and their methods and strategies. But like I said, like he was saying, like nobody knows which way the market is going to go. Nobody knows it's going to go up or it's going to go down. Nobody knows. If anybody ever tell you that they do know, it's a lie. Nobody knows which way it's going to go. Only thing they're doing is taking an educated guess, and with using these indicators and strategy and looking at past performance is what they're using to base a decision off. They're using the past to kind of predict the future. So that's what they're doing. Feel me? So you could be right, then you'll be right. You could be right majority of the times, not 100%, but majority of the times. So that's pretty cool. So if you can trade like that, that's good. And that's how I was trading too. I was making educated guesses, educated analysis, and then putting my trades in from there. And majority of the time I was right. Sometimes I was wrong. So it's like it all depends. The whole part is the money management part, really. If you can find you a system in trading, and that's where you can get at least 70% of your trades right, man, then you can make a profit if you got good risk management. But that's neither here or there. With this, you don't need to know about none of that. I literally don't. You don't have to learn about no chart analysis, none of that stuff, no indicator, nothing. You don't need no stop losses, nothing. So for the new traders, because I don't know where everybody's level at in trading, so I'm just going to kind of speak to like a majority of the audience. I can say here, each candle is representing price action. All blue candles means price is going up, or what they call a bullish candle. Bulls means that the people that's how can I say that? Bulls means the buyers are in control. Like people are buying this currency pair, they're in control. All orange candles means the bearish or sellers. These are sellers, so the prices are dropping. So people putting their money in, investing, and the prices are going up or down. So basically, when you trade, you want to be able to guess if the price is going to go up or it's going to go down. If it's going up, you want to buy. So as the value of that price is going up and up and up. When you're in profit, you want to go ahead and sell what you have and take your profit. So you want to buy and then sell. Buy to sell. The price is going down, you want to sell. Then you buy when it gets low, take your profit. The whole name of the game is just buying and selling. So with this method, this is what he says to do. Since with these two currency pairs that they're the same price action basically, but it's upside down, you say he gonna put two buy orders in. So I already did it on this chart. This green line right here represents where I placed my buy order at in the market. So this is where the buy order is at. Now, if you look closely, all right, so you can look closely, you'll see right here, I got my orders in right here. Now what's cool about this is, check this out. And here again for the rookies, these two pairs, Audi, USD. The first two letters represents the country, the last represents their currency. AU, Australia, D is the dollar. Australian dollar, US, United States, D is the dollar. So United States dollar. the first currency is always the base. So see Australian versus the dollar. That means so if the prices is going up, that means the value of the Australian dollars is rising over the USD. So now if it's the price is moving down, that means the Australian dollars is losing its value over the USD. So vice versa over here. British pound, Great Britain pound, and Australian dollar. The price is rising up. That means the pound value is getting stronger over the Australian dollar. If it's going down, that means the Australian dollars is rising. You get higher. So now check this out. If this goes down on this side, the Great Pound Australian dollar, if this moves down, that means that the Australian dollar is losing value. Actually, no. I mean, is let me see. I'm sorry. Actually, no. If this moves down, this means the Australian dollar is gaining value, is gaining strength and power. So as this moves down, over here it's going to move up because, like I said, Australian dollar is gaining value over here. So that means Australian dollar is gaining value when it moves up. You see that? If this goes down, this is going to move up. Now over here, if this moves down, that means the Australian dollar is losing value. So if it's losing value over here, it's going to go up. So it's vice versa. If this goes up, this is coming down. This is go down, this is going up. If this goes up, this goes down. So it's like you're getting the best of both ends on the Australian dollar. So if I got two buy orders in, and this one right here looks like it's about to make profit now, Australian USD. As this going up, I'm going to make profit. But as it's making profit, this one's going to go down. You see? So one side's going to be positive, one side's going to be negative. So off rip right there, that already kind of takes out a lot of risk in trading because I know I'm getting the best of both worlds. If I was right about the price actually going up or down, like say, all right, I think this was going to go up and I put my buy order in, which I did, but it doesn't go up and it goes down, I'll be in negative. I'll be losing money. But whatever I'm losing here, I'm making back up on this side because, like I said, as this rise goes down, this one's rising up. So I'm still going to be making money. You see? So worst case scenario, like you said, I would just break even. I don't know if you can see that, if it makes sense. Just like on this side, if I bet that this one's going to go up here, which I did, but if it doesn't, if this keeps falling, I'm going to be negative. But whatever I make negative over here, I'm going to be making money over here because if this goes down, I mean, this is going up. So I got the best of both worlds. So it's like I'm protecting my investment, my business. Got a good system in place. Now, another thing. Now, this is how we're going to make the money. Every time you get a profit, you're going to go ahead and you're going to close out the trade and you're going to take your profits. It's like a restaurant. Somebody comes in with $20 and buy a meal. Want to buy a meal and you serve and they buy the meal, you're not going to reject the money. You're going to take the money. You're going to take your profit for that meal. It's like how this, you're going to take your profit. So as you're taking your profit, you're going to see over here your account balance is going to increase. Your balance only moves with closed trades, not with live trades that's open. It only moves when they're closed. So even though this says negative $15, I never closed it, so it's not negative on my account. You feel me? It's not negative for my account. It's only would be negative if I was to close it. Only thing we're going to do is close profit trades. We're not going to close negative trades. So even though one side's negative, the other side's going to end up being positive, and that's the trades we're going to keep closing. So even if this rally all the way down, say the Australian dollar and this rally is all the way down, Australian dollar just loses so much value, it just drops. I could be like a negative 50, 60, but guess what? As this dropping down here, I know this one is rising. This one is rising. I'm making money on this side. So whatever I'm not getting over here, I'm making over here. You know, so I will keep closing out profitable trades on this side. So as I keep closing, like I said, only closed trades move your balance. So if I'm closing all profitable trades, my balance is going to steadily increase. And I know I'm going to close a trade because, like I said, I'm getting the best of both sides of the Australian dollar. I'm getting the best of both sides. If the Australian dollar rises and gets value, then I'm going to make money over here. If it loses value, I'm going to make money on this side. It doesn't matter. Whatever side, I'm going to keep making my money. I'm going to keep closing out profitable trades. And as that's happening, I'm watching my account just increase. Now, that's when you get in. So now you can go ahead and just put two orders in. I wish one was in profit now. I will show you right now. The market's kind of moving slow. You can do this on any time frame. I'm gonna do it off the minute chart because I want to be able to get into action quicker. But you see, even if I do it on the hour chart, it won't even matter. Look, see, see how close there is right here. If this goes up, I'm gonna make money, and this is gonna go down. But if this goes up, this is gonna go down. And you see, even down that sells, this keeps going down for a while. Like say this one, look, see how it came down for a while? Would have been negative, but this market moves in trends. What goes up, what's come down, what go down is going to come up. So even this came down, that's just coming down. I'm making money on this side because see, I'm making money on this side. But look, now this eventually is coming back up now. So the market always come up. So even though it was negative, now it's going to get the negative is going to get lower and lower and lower. So it's like I don't have to close out a negative trade. I can just wait till the trend gets back over here and then boom. Now, how's that going to help you? One side's negative, one side's positive. Like I said, it's going to end up being back neutral for you. But even if it don't, you're ready to just want to close all your trades. If you close out enough profitable trades and your balance is high, your equity is your balance minus whatever live trades you got going on now. So $7,619 minus 17, whatever it is, 1750 is this price right here. So if I every day, if I know my starting balance, and at the end of the day when I'm done trading, and if I see that my equity is higher than my balance, I know I made it higher than my starting balance. I know I made a profit for that day. I don't have to. So even if I would just want to close out these trades at negative $18, which I don't have to, I can sit there and wait. Like I said, patience is a virtue. But even if I did do it, I know that if I close these two out, I'm still in profit for that day because my equity was higher than my starting balance. So it's like a business, like say McDonald's. McDonald's is a turnkey business. A turnkey business means it's a business the system's already in place. It's already gonna make money like McDonald's. They already have the menu. They already have the workers. They already know how it's cooked. They already have their place for it. They already know how the customer's gonna come. So they already know they're gonna make the money. The question is how much they're gonna make for that day. It all depends on the customers. With this method, I know I'm gonna make money, but how much I'm gonna make today depends on what the market gives me, whatever the market wants to give me. So, but your job really is just to be an active trader and go ahead and watch your charts. Well, now you don't have to watch your charts, but watch your money, and whatever profit you see, you take it. You take it, and you keep stacking up all your profits. And at the end of the week or 2 weeks, you'll see she made a great deal of profits. You feel me? So that's really all. The only thing you know how to do is just really come here, find your two currency pairs. If you look over here in this chart, if you know how to use it, I can literally just go ahead and only have these only the two pairs of needs showing. But now you can always look. Just come down here. You go Australian US dollar. Open up the chart. It keeps going down. You can see if I can find the Great Pound Australian. You go to Great Pound Australian. I'll just open up the chart. They'll pop up right here. Boom. That's it. Now, for new traders, if you do like this and you like, man, I want to really start trading and try it out, what I would tell you guys to do, which what I'm doing, is find a broker, which I have some good brokers if you need one. Now I'll make if you need, I'll make a video or tell you guys how to set up and get your own brokers. You'll open up a demo account and you can start, and they'll give you some play money to play with, so you can go ahead and start trading on a demo account. Because this is a demo account that I'm using. I'm going to do this for like a good month or maybe two to see if I actually making really good profits. And if I am, I'm going to take this to a live account so I can start making some real money, yo. So, but I'll show you how to go ahead and open up an account with a broker so you can how to go ahead and start practicing. And now me personally, I'm going to trade like this. I already see the profit. I'm really good with numbers. I can see the profit already. I already know this is going to work. And I think just like with basketball, the more you play, the better you're going to get at it. So I think the more I do this, the better and better I'm going to get at it. So I'm kind of looking for a team that wants to trade like this so we can get better together. You feel me? And then once we got it down pat, you feel me, we can go ahead and build an empire with this trading strategy right here, man. This is really solid. This is like a good system. I don't need to learn how to read these price actions. I don't really need to learn indicators, how to do my stop losses. Like everything's already set in place for me. My job is just to collect profits. That's it. My job is just to collect, which is not really hard, and which is something I would be enjoying doing. Like who want to sit behind a computer and collect money all day? Like every day when I wake up, I'm like, oh, let me see what the market's going to give me. How much money I'm going to make today. That's a good feeling. So that's why I'm going to stick with this. I don't have to worry about no other currency pairs. I don't have to worry about no other currency pairs. I only have to focus on these two, and this is all I got to do. Like I said, look, this market goes up, I'm going to collect my profits. And you got to be quick, though, because if it's in profit and you didn't collect, and then it starts going back down, you're losing your money gains like you just missed on the plate. Like somebody done dined and dashed on you. They done ate food and ran out the store. You didn't take your money. So that's what you say. You got to watch it. You got to be a trader. If you're a trader, then your job is to make trades. So that's what I'm doing. I'm buying a currency and I'm selling it. So if it gets up here and I'm in profit, I need to go ahead and sell it and make my money before the value loses again. So we have to be here watching it. Now, with a technical trader part come in handy, it'll be good to be a good technical trader still, because you'll kind of be able to probably see if it is going to go up or down. You'll probably have a better guessing um, plan to see if it is go up and down. You could probably collect higher profits because this can shoot up. This is only 10 cents a pip, so it was like $10 a pip, and it shoot up 10 pips. I'll be $100. I can close it out, but then then it went up even higher to like 30 pips. That would have been 300. So the whole point is as soon as when you collect your profits and you close out the trade, your job is to close it out and get right back in. And get right back in by hitting this button right here. Matter of fact, since this is a demo, I don't really care if I lose. So let me edit it out. It's just a demo account. So this is how you do it. I'll open the markets. I'll find my two currency pairs. These two right here, Australian dollar and a Great Pound US dollar. I'll put a buy order just like this. My lot size, matter of fact, I'm gonna change. I'm making one standard lot, which is $10 a point. And I'll tell you, you don't have to worry about all this stuff too. Like I said, when you start getting into it in the demo account, you'll start learning more. And those who already know, I don't need to explain. So, but if you're new, like I say, if you have any questions, I'll help you out. This is really easy. But you go put my order here, buy. So I'll put my orders in now. I just bought both currency pairs now. See, it's my active trades. Look, my balance was 7601. Now it's at around 7,500. So my balance, the equity is my balance minus this. So this is a negative right now. So they're both negative. That means none of them hit here, but it's okay, because if I was wrong about this one coming up here and it actually goes down, that means this is going to go up. So I'm going to still make money on this side. So if I was wrong about this going up and it goes down, it's okay, because that means if this goes down, this is going to go up. I want to make money either way. So it's like my investment is protected. The worst case scenario, I'm going to break even. So what I'm going to do is just collect all my profits on the winning side of that trend. While that trend's going on, I'm going to keep making my money. Then when the trend reverses and go back the other way, I'm going to collect on the other side. You feel me? And then once I made enough money, it don't matter really what this is, because if it's negative and I still see that my equity is higher than my original balance, I know I made a profit for that day anyway. And that's the whole point of trading. And with any business is to make a profit. There's no point going into business if you make a profit. And I believe that trading was set to be run as a business. Like, this is a business that makes $1 trillion a day. You don't make $1 trillion a day by guessing or winging it. I really believe they have a system behind these markets in place of how they make $1 trillion a day. So for those, now you can make money in this industry, but for me, I think you need to have a good system in place and then do it digitally. So I think when this is a good business system that's going to bring in profits for you every day, and how much depends on you. It depends on you. So that's what I said. I want to get a group of traders to trade like this, and let's go ahead and grow from here. This is the platform. Now, who knows where we can go from here? So I think with all you guys' ideas and brains and smarts, we can put this together. New or amateur or pro, I believe this is what it is right here, yo. Like, I think banks will give you money to invest their money in with this method right here. If they see that you can show them a sheet of straight profitable trades, if you can show them a account sheet with all profit trades, I think they're gonna be willing to invest their money as well. So it's like, hey, who knows what we could do with this? So like I said, I can use all the help I need. Anybody who's interested in a trade like this or want to go ahead and do more, like, please leave me a comment on the group, Global United Traders. And I just made up that name on the spot just to add people to a group. We can always come up with a group name if y'all want to turn this into a team thing. But just write me on that group. If you know me on Facebook, just write me on Facebook. I'm only gonna post this video in Facebook in that private group. I have an email address. Matter of fact, I think I got one in profit right now. Hold on, I went to the price go back up, but this one's getting close to being profit. So look, let's wait. Let's wait. This should be good right here. It's a -$1. So I'm gonna watch this one because this one's like it's about to be hit profit now. Let's see. All right, it's at a profit. It's at a positive dollar. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher because it's $10 a point. So we see if we can at least get to 10, $4, $1, $1, $1. I could take this dollar and leave, and then we'll come back in. Cause see how it's dropping right back down. So it said when you see a profit, take it. Just take it. But I think this market's gonna rise though. So that's why I need a team. Cause I think we can kind of predict. All right, look, now it's $11, $14, $13. All right, look, I'm gonna take it. $10, just took it. I just made $10 just now. Now I'm gonna come right back in the trade. Come over here, buy, bought. Now I'm right back in. So now I go to my account history. Remember, I was at 7,600. Now I'm at 7,611. I just made $10. Come down here, look, profit, $10. I'm only gonna close out profit trades. I'm not closing out any losing trades, so I'm not losing no money. I'm not gonna lose no money. My balance increase. This is important because when it's time to withdraw, to put for cold hard cash in your pockets, this is what they're gonna look at. This is where your money at. So as long as this is increasing, I'm happy. I don't care about this over here. Just saying -139. That's all right because it said the market moves in trends. It's gonna come back anyway. I can just tell you here, it's on any chart. Price was here before. It came here again. 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 It's back over here again. Feel me? The price is gonna come back to it. I can go years. Look back from years. You feel me? It still do the same thing. Price was over here 1 year. A couple of years later, it's back over here again. So it's like, hey, here go a 30-minute chart. The price was here. Probably a couple of days later, look, the price came back. So the market moves in trends. Whatever's in trend, whatever's popping. But it's all right because whatever's in trends, I'm gonna be eating off on both of them. I'm gonna get the best of both worlds. So I got two products that I know is gonna sell, whatever trend that is in. And that's how that works. So if you like this, go ahead and leave me a comment, and we can go ahead and mastermind it and get something going. You feel me? This strategy, I believe, is overlooked. It's been on YouTube for 3 years now. It has less than 100 views, or just 100 views. So it's like this is a strategy I believe is overlooked. I believe this is like a revelation and something that was given to this man from God, where we can go ahead and take advantage of these markets and make money. Feel me? This can really help people out. So this is what I'm going to do. This is much simpler, much more easier. It gives me more time to do other things as well. And this is what I'm going to stick with. Like I said, the result speaks for itself. I done closed more profitable trades in 3 days with this method than I've been doing for a year. And I made a lot of profitable trades in my time, but not in a row. Like I could show you. I wish I had my other account up, which I don't feel like getting into right now, but I had another account. I had like 30 trades profitable in a row, like 30 in 1 day. In 1 day, had 30 profit trades. So and with no losses. So it's like that's amazing right there with this strategy. Look, $1 is rising. This one's dropping, but look, if this one hits profit, I'm going to collect. So I know it's $10 a point, and right now it's at -8. So it's really close to being profit. So I gotta watch it. But sometimes the market would like to shoot up and shoot right back down really quick. So it could shoot up. You could be up $100, but then if you didn't hit the close button and then it shot back down, you just missed out on $100. So you gotta be ready. If you're gonna be a trader, and be ready to trade. Be ready to buy and sell. That's the whole true form of trading. You're buying and selling. And scalping is just taking profits on a smaller time frame. So I believe this is going to shoot up any second now. So I'm going to wait. Let me see if I can get one more profit trade and close it before I end this hangout. So let me just watch this one for a little bit. Get closer. Let's see right now. Look, it's just going in the range. Oh, let's see. It might go down. Who knows? We'll see. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we can get another $10 real quick. Oh, $9, $9. Let's see if we can keep going up. See, sometimes you can wake up and you be up high. Look, damn, we're just at $18. I missed it. Let me see if I can clear that at 9. So now I went back to $1. See, you saw how I just went to 18. I didn't close it out. I just missed it. I just missed it. But it's still at $9. I was gonna close it at 9. And see where I closed it out at. I caught it at $8, but that's okay. I just made $8, and look, it still went up. So look, you gotta get back in the market. Get back in. Bye. So boom. And that's how that works. Look, I'm just closing out profit trades. That's it. My account balance is steady increasing. Remember, it's at 711. It's at 719 now. Remember, I just made $8. So that's how that works. So if you like it, just leave questions, comments, and we'll go ahead and we'll elaborate. Every week or every day, I'm gonna try to have results up from my results from doing this method. I'm gonna try to leave results up, try to leave some more videos, and like I said, we can do more hangouts together and really take this strategy and take it to the next level. Like this guy, like I said, the guy who came up with this or who was shown this strategy, he haven't put a video out in 3 years. Last video I seen, he said he's gonna own him a multi-million-dollar company. He probably got one right now, by now already. So, hey, let's be next. All right, y'all. God bless. Have a good day.